Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix avoid interruption to your subscription and purchases, verify your payment information or add a new payment method. So if you see this kind of error on your payments on your iPhone while purchasing or try to purchase anything from the App Store or anything like that. So if you see this kind of error, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page. And after closing this page, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to turn it off again, so that your Wi-Fi internet connection can be restarted. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and in general you have to scroll it down until you will find the transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all your network setting, and after resetting all of your network setting, you have to simply go back. Now you have to simply check whether you do not have any kind of pending payments in App Store, and you have done all the purchases and nothing is in the pending payments. So you have to make sure of that. And after that, you can simply verify your payment information. So to verify your payment information, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to name or Apple ID, and after that you have to click on media and purchases, and you have to click on view account. And after clicking on view account, you have to simply wait for some time so that a new kind of interface will be available here. So here you have to simply go to manage payments. As you click on manage payments, all of your payments will be available here. So here you can simply select all the payments you want to verify, and after you can simply verify it. If it is unable to verify, if you are unable to verify your payment information, then you can simply remove that payment method, and after that you can simply add a new payment method. So before doing this, you can also check whether you do not have any pending payments. Then this time your payment will not be removed from the App Store. So you have to make sure of that. Whether you have to simply cancel all the purchases which have the pending payments, or otherwise you will not be able to remove the payment method. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.